So what do we have today here in this box? Let's check out. Namaste all you fragrant people and welcome to Om Incense Show with DJ. So today we have this awesome haul here with me from this fabulous brand called Sugandh Lok, and I've got this whole packet here. Let's see what all incenses we have here. So if you are an incense enthusiast, consider subscribing, and welcome to Om Incense Show with DJ. So let's see the incenses that we have today. There's this website called Scenting Secrets, and they have all of the exclusive incenses there. They only keep incenses which are export quality. They have incenses which are exclusive to a brand, and exclusive in the sense that you will only get that incense from Scenting Secrets and nowhere else. Like this Sugandh Lok incense, you only get it from the Sugandh Lok outlet which is there in Bangalore, and this is from a brand called Tulsi. If you've heard of a brand called Tulsi, this is that parent brand. The company is Sarthi International. So you get these incenses either from the Sugandh Lok outlet which is in Bangalore, and if you are in Bangalore and if you know of this outlet, then you would probably get it from there. The only place online where you get these incenses from is the Scenting Secrets website. I'll be linking that website ID in the description, so you might just want to check that. And now let's check out the incenses. And so we have to see that these are all Sugandh Lok incenses. If you see Sugandh Lok, it's like that, and these are all flower cycled incenses. So we see these are all flower cycled incenses. So like if you have seen this is like any of those other flower cycled incenses. The only difference is that this brand is a very old this parent company, the Sarthi International company, is a very old company. It's been there since 1945 and it's a 75-year-old company, and recently they started this it's not actually that recent, but then yeah, it's because flower cycle incense in itself is a new product, so in that way they started this. And Sugandh Lok is a brand of incense that is all of their flower cycle incenses. The other traditional recipes that they have is that brand called Tulsi, like I said earlier. So we have this and this whole package to me. So this is Soft Touch Agarbattis, Sugandh Lok, and we'll be seeing all of these one by one. We have Velvet Petals Agarbattis. Let me know which of these, once you've seen the haul, just let me know which of these you want me to do first. If not, of course I'll be doing whatever I feel like. So this is Lavender Delight. This is Dain Al Oud. This is all of our favorite premium rose agarbattis, and if you see, the packaging is so awesome. I really like the packaging. It's all very beautiful. So this is Bangalore special. So people from Bangalore, this is here for you. And Scenting Secrets website is an exclusive online outlet of theirs. The other kind of incenses that you get on Scenting Secrets are all, you get brands like Parimal or other brands which are there in the market already, but the products that you get on Scenting Secrets is something that you get only with Scenting Secrets. Otherwise, most of the they have quite a few export quality products, and the one thing which is their USP, besides the fact that they have exclusive products with them, is the fact that they keep only fresh incenses with them. So you will not find incenses which are like really old. So not anything more than 6 months old is what you get. So we have Sri Sai Sugandh Agarbattis. This is Eternal Bliss. This is Vanilla Beans. Let's see, I haven't tried a vanilla incense earlier. Let's see what this is like. We have Madhuban. Of course, we see beautiful ladies here. So Madhuban. We have this called Shankhnad. The name itself is so beautiful. Shankhnad. We have Sandalwood Premium. Then we have Siddha Chandan. So this is the one incense that I'm planning to do a review of. The first review from this haul is I'm going to do for this incense. In case you want me to do any other incense, just let me know. Otherwise, if I have to do, I'll be doing this Siddha Chandan. So this is what is there. Then we have Prakriti Sugandh. We have Cashmere. This is what we have. This is Blessing. If you see the packaging is really beautiful. All of the incenses look very beautiful. These are like, you know, these are very ideal to be gifted as gift boxes. So you can just choose any of these incenses, or, you know, choose 2 or 3 of these, and, you know, choose a nice incense holder with them, and, you know, give it to anybody for gift. It's going to be a really premium gift, because of the fact that, of course, Scenting Secrets has only exclusive products on them. So if you want any of those Sugandh Lok incenses, if you are not in Bangalore and around the Sugandh Lok outlet, then Scenting Secrets is the only site where you're going to find any of these incenses. And while you're there, you might just want to check out other of their brands and, you know, other incenses that they have, because they only have exclusive incenses with them. Like I've said earlier also, they do not have incense that are there available in any of the online stores or offline stores. Most of these products are exported, but we're lucky to have Scenting Secrets, who has all of these incenses that, you know, the export quality ones that we'll be getting. We have another sandal. So this is Deluxe Sandal Agarbatti. We have Sanskriti. We have Sweet Jasmine. We have Garden Champa. We have this Golden Dragon. And the last of the 3 incenses that we have, I was so happy to see this entire pack was jam packed with incenses. Looked so beautiful. This is Saundarya Agarbatti. See, isn't the painting beautiful? All of the packages that they've done is, the packaging is really good. This is Oud Royal. So we had one, you know, Oud, another one that we had somewhere. So we had that, and we have Oud Royal, and we have this, which is called Vidwan. So these are the incenses that we have. These are the incenses that I received from Scenting Secrets, and I just request you to go to Scenting Secrets and check out all of their products, because like I said, they have exclusive products, very freshly made incenses. They have incenses that are only meant for export market, and we're lucky to have this website where we can go and find export quality products. And even for the other brands, we have exclusive products. And like I said, so we had that Oud Royal, and this is Denal Oud. So we have 2 of Oud incenses. We have 3 of sandal. So like I said, I'll be doing the Siddha Chandan Agarbatti. If you want me to do anything else, just let me know. So, and like I said earlier also, these are all flower cycle incenses. This is their flower cycle range from Sarthi International, which is a very old brand, and this is their 3rd generation running the brand. So we have this Siddha Chandan, we have Sandalwood Premium, we have Deluxe Sandal, Blessing, Cashmere. I really like this name, Cashmere. And this is Prakriti Sugandh. So these are all the incenses that I had, and I wanted to show this haul to you. And just let me know which incense out of these you want me to do. If not, I'll be doing, of course, like I said, something that I like, and I'll be starting with Siddha Chandan. The other announcement I just had to make was I'll be off for a medical vacation for around 10 days or so. So I'll not be here. I'll try to do, I'll try to I'll be posting episodes which are like podcast episodes. I'll not be able to do the reviews just yet, so just excuse me for the time being. I'll be back and I'll be giving you the reviews. Till then, I just like you to know about the last quiz that we had, because then, you know, the quiz answer will be delayed for quite some time. So the quiz that we had last time was, which is the incense, what is the benefit of camphor incense for the students? So the one benefit that camphor incense has on students is that it helps clear up your mind, it helps steady your mind, and it helps you focus and concentrate. That's the one thing. The other thing is, because it cleanses your aura, it helps good opportunities come your way. So if you are a student, you will be veered towards the path that that is going to be good for you later on in life. As a student, you might just want to pursue something, and you clearly have no idea what to do. So that's how camphor incense will benefit you. However, the one thing that is to be noted here is that camphor as a fragrance is very difficult to come across in an incense, and it's better to use real camphor for to smudge your house, or to smudge your study area, or to smudge yourself before you sit for the studies, instead of using camphor incense, because I haven't yet come across a camphor incense which is as good as the real camphor. So that is the one thing which we have to keep in mind. And so that was the quiz that we had last time. Now the quiz that we have today is, name a sweetener that has always been used in the ancient Indian incenses. So we have quite a few sweeteners that have been used in incenses. So let me know one of those sweeteners. So that's the quiz for today. So I hope you enjoyed this Sugandh Lok haul, and you really like these exclusive incenses which I got from scentingsecrets.com. I'll be linking the name in the description box. Just check that out and check out the website. You will be awed by the collection that they have. So that's all for today's episode. I hope you enjoyed today's episode and you learned something from it. If you think somebody else can learn something from it too, share it with them. If you liked it, give it a like. It helps me a lot. I'll be thankful to you for that. And till we meet again next, take very good care of yourself. Namaste.